Lots of these older doors, the framing underneath isn't quite up to par with what it should be. Lots of times there's no sheathing, there's no support underneath the actual threshold, so you don't have anything to rely on when it comes to support. Newer pre-hung exterior doors has the threshold, the metal threshold attached to it. But you still got to have some sort of support underneath to be able to hold it. So it's always kind of a surprise and mystery to what you have. Just hoping for the best, preparing for the worst. That's our motto. That's all we can do, right? Can't expect nothing else. You should always keep your trash collected up in one place so it's not strung out all over the place. No sense in making a bigger mess than it has to be. Plus, it just makes the job go a little bit better. Got things orderly. Really don't need to take storm door framing off of the brick molding, but there might be some hidden facts underneath it. And how this one is, it looks like I might keep this brick molding attached. And I'll just take the brick molding off the new door and buddy it up to this one. I'll show you guys a little bit better angle, see if it stays up here. But so up here, the soffit is butted up to the outside of the brick molding, and the brick molding's already flashed. So let's see what it's looking like. We might be using this existing brick molding since it is flat. That means it's waterproof. I'll make sure to give it a quick once over and make sure that I say we're going to use. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I think we're going to. Flash just in case. Some sheathing, I got some there at the house. Whoa! Watch that step, it's a doozy. Okay, the sound cut out here when I was trying to show y'all, but this is just the old threshold area where I'm gonna be cutting in and putting in a new piece of the subfloor. Got some of the Vantex go down in right there.